Hello, fourth graders. It's Miss Kovarik, and this is lesson 4 of our poetry unit. We're going to read a poem called Harlem today. So your first vocab word is defer, and that's a verb that means to put off or delay. Fester is a verb, which means to grow infected. A renaissance is a noun, and that's a period in time when many people are creating art and music and literature. So it's like a really artistic time in a certain place. Figurative language, those are words or phrases that mean more than their literal definition. So it could be a simile or a metaphor. It's not a literal meaning. Now, literal meaning is, it's the exact definition. If I say walk in the hallway, I mean walk in the hallway. However, figurative language, I could say, I'm walking like a snake in the hallway. Maybe I'm walking really, really smooth, but I'm not literally wiggling around like a snake. A metaphor is a comparison that does not use like or as. So I could say, I am a giraffe. I am a princess. She is a dog. Now, a simile is the same thing, but we're going to use like or as. So I might say, I am like a princess. She is smelly as a dog. So we're using like or as. Okay, so this poem is called Harlem, and it's by Langston Hughes. It says, what happens to a dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun, or fester like a sore and then run? Does it stink like rotten meat, or crust and sugar over like a syrupy sweet? Maybe it just sags like a heavy load, or does it just explode? I'm going to read it one more time. What happens to a dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun, or fester like a sore and then run? Does it stink like rotten meat, or crust and sugar over like a syrupy sweet? Or maybe it just sags like a heavy load, or does it explode? All right, so we're going to reread that question that he asked in the poem. And I want you to explain the meaning of this question in your own words. So we know that to defer means to put off or delay. So what does it mean to ask, what happens to a dream deferred? Your next question says to read the question above, explain the meaning of Hughes's question in your own words. Then you're going to tell me the 2 different kinds of dreams that a person may have. So if you have a dream, what could I be talking about? And that is all for today. Have a great rest of your day.